Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pie divine step by step. Start by chilling your butter and flour to ensure flakiness and tenderness. Measure ingredients accurately and use a light touch when mixing to avoid overworking the dough. Roll the crust to about 5 inches larger than your pan for a perfect edge. Chill again before blind baking when needed for a crisp, golden base. Build a filling that tastes like celebration with simple techniques anyone can follow. Macerate fruit with sugar to draw out juices and concentrate flavor, and add a splash of lemon for brightness. Use cornstarch or tapioca to thicken without clouding flavor, and always taste before baking so you can tweak sweetness and spice. Let fillings cool slightly to prevent a soggy bake with confidence by monitoring temperature and color rather than time alone. Start in a hot oven to set the crust, then lower heat if the edges brown too fast, and use a shield to protect them. Rotate the pie for even browning and tent with foil if the top is getting too dark. Allow the pie to rest so the filling firms up and slices cleanly for serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.